Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Dynamics 365 sales insights and dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Dynamics 365 sales insights and dashboards, start by logging into your Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the Sales app from the main dashboard. Once in the Sales app, locate the Insights section on the left-hand menu. Click on the Insights section to access the dashboard options. Familiarize yourself with the available dashboards displayed on the screen. Select the specific dashboard you want to verify. Confirm that the data displayed on the dashboard aligns with your expectations. Check the visualizations and charts to ensure they are properly populated. If you notice any discrepancies, verify the data source for the dashboard. Navigate to the related entity records to cross-check the raw data. Return to the dashboard and refresh it to ensure you have the latest data. Review any filters applied to the dashboard for accuracy. You may also want to customize the dashboard by clicking on the Edit option. Adjust the widgets or data segments as necessary for your analysis. After making changes, save the dashboard to retain your preferences. Consider sharing the updated dashboard with your team if it provides valuable insights. Monitor the dashboard regularly to track ongoing performance metrics. If necessary, consult the support documentation for any troubleshooting assistance. Explore additional training resources to enhance your understanding of Dynamics 365 sales insights. Regularly review user permissions to ensure access is correctly set up. Engage with team members to gather feedback on dashboard usability and accuracy. By following these steps, you can effectively verify Dynamics 365 sales insights and dashboards for informed decision-making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.